Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Play-Dough magic wand. Maybe it really will be magic. Who knows? Here's what you need to get started. You need yellow, blue, pink, and purple Play-Doh. Let's get started. First, I'm going to start with the wand handles and ribbon. But certainly not least, the star, where all the magic comes from. My magical wand. What kind of wish do you want? Okay, bibbidi bobbidi boo. I hope your guys' wish came true. I'm almost 100% sure mine did. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happykids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.